Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. Today is moving vlog episode 3. It's the next day and I am kind of exhausted, to be honest. I'm currently standing on my stairs. I don't really know why I'm standing on the stairs because I got these slippers on and I feel like I'm gonna fall. So we're gonna hold on for dear life. I am about to take you guys inside my closet. I did some organizing and I wanna show you guys the piles that I created in the dining room. It's the blankets that I'm throwing away, a pile of junk that we are also throwing away, stuff that is going to Goodwill. Next, I'm gonna hit up the living room. But first and foremost, we're gonna get into this closet so you guys can see the difference. With that being said, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so here is the closet. I know y'all seen the way it was looking yesterday. It was a hot mess. This is everything that we are keeping. I cleaned it out, I swept the closet, and I organized everything. So over there, you have the broom and dustpan and mop, the kids' suitcases, our lawn chairs, my boot from when I had plantar fasciitis. And, you know, sometimes my heels hurt, so I'm going to keep that. This is some car stuff right there. And then I have like my little foot spa and a panini maker and a speaker. And then this is my blanket and Samaj blanket and like a foam thing, whatever they call that. These are my extra purses, some umbrellas, Samaj old baby clothes from when he was a little preemie. I'm keeping those forever. My tool bag, an extra pillowcase right there, a steamer in the corner. This is my personal tissue. Basketballs, because we do have a basketball court at our new place. Me and Amaya's TV mounts, my Renaissance Beyonce popcorn bucket. Never used it, but I'm keeping that because I have the cup to match. Amaya's old sleeping bag. And this is Ariana's stuffing stuff because she crochets. And then those are fly swatters. So not much in this closet. Very organized now. So that's what that's looking like. These are the blankets that was in the closet. We do not want them, so I'm gonna throw those in the trash. And everything right here is what I want to bring to Goodwill. These are extra suitcases, the dog items that I bought, but I never got my little puppy, so sad, tear. This is a s'mores maker. We literally got this from Goodwill. We made s'mores one time and then we never use it again. This is a neck massager, lights, jump rope and stuff. A huge balloon plush doggy outside items for the kids. These were Samaj airplanes. I think this is missing a ball. I forgot what they call this. Bulk in the bag and a skip it. Ariana's old bead set. Some little girl would be happy to have this. Like, look at this. She don't want it anymore, but it's like the friendship bracelet bead set. This right here is Samaj old VTech game. Got a controller, you can hook it up to the TV. We actually got this from Goodwill as well. It has a lot of games in there and a few more games in the back. This was Ariana's Froggy game. You can hook this up to the TV also. Frogger, not Froggy, but Frogger. Right here is like more appliances. Mini grill, waffle maker, omelet maker, and a mini donut maker. My old Mario Halloween costume. And then we had that waffle maker as well. The last thing was this. I forgot what they call this. Over here is a pile of garbage, pretty much. Everything right here is going to the trash. And this is their old electronic bucket is what we call it. They need to go through these to see if they want anything. Pretty much all tablets and extra chargers. This vacuum, I gotta see if my car has like 2 charger ports because the only way to use this, plug it like this. And I don't know if the back seats have it, but I do know the front seats have it. If the back doesn't have it, I'm gonna put this in the Goodwill pile. And then this might also go into the Goodwill pile. It's a dashboard camera that I have for my car. I just want to double check it to see if any of my photos or anything is on it. If there isn't, I'm gonna put it into the Goodwill pile. So as y'all know, those suitcases were right there, but I moved them because they're going in that closet over there. My scooter, I just moved down. I don't know if I'll keep this electric scooter or not. I really don't use it, so who knows if I'll keep it. Right here, I gotta finish shredding these papers. It's taking forever. I don't even do it, honestly, but I'm gonna do it. And then all the board games we're not keeping. We're gonna go ahead and throw away because I'm pretty sure some parts are missing. This pile of trash came out of the TV stand. I already got it sitting here because it's pretty much papers that is gonna go to the garbage. But I took it out and I organized the TV stand before I started the video to make it a little bit more easier to understand what's going on. We're keeping all the books. These are coloring books and books to draw. The cabinets are already emptied and cleaned out. Uno deck of cards. The kids love Uno. This bag is the knobs for my TV stand. This side is empty. This remote goes to the DVD player right there. This remote I bought because my other one I thought was broken, but it wasn't, so now I just have an extra remote. This is just old package things. I need to take my name off of them and then put that in the recycling bin. I can throw these shoes away. I don't wear them. And then this is a basket of gloves and hats. Of course, winter is coming up, but we will get new ones. This basket and box can stay just like this. I might put that in the closet. I brought this box out here. I'm about to tape the bottom up and get the kids' movies off the stand along with my Xbox games. This stand had my movies on it, but as y'all seen, or if you have not seen my video yesterday, that was all my movies on this stand. Now I have to do the kids' movies. That is gonna be it for this living room. A quick update. I got the movies packed up and I just went through the papers that was on the floor. So let me show you guys, because then I'm about to call Goodwill to see if they'll take the items today or not. Are you putting on pause for me? Oh, how sweet. My baby's under the weather, you guys. I would show him, but he's not feeling well. And he just put his video on pause for his mama. And then stop at Walmart or Target to see if I could find some big boxes so I can get to the next room. That was a pile of papers that was right there on the floor. Everything is going to the trash. And with this area, I organized everything. And as far as my Xbox games, they were not able to fit in the box with the movies, so I'm gonna have to package that with a few other items. I got that one bag that was off the floor, and I'm gonna get this one out of here as well. These are the empty stands. I think I might take them down and then just put them in the recycling, because I don't think we'll be taking this to the new place. I'm sitting in my car outside of Chipotle. I guess I'm gonna end the video here because I just grabbed me a bite to eat. I'm hungry. And as y'all seen in the clip before this, I dropped the stuff off at Goodwill. But there's my food right there. I got me a steak bowl because I've been craving a steak bowl. And I got me some of the vinaigrette. This stuff is amazing. Here's my bowl. I haven't had Chipotle in like a few months, I want to say. I should have got some chips too, but I'd rather have like Doritos or something with it. Here's my bowl. Got sour cream, cheese, white rice, steak, no beans, and a little bit of corn. This is exactly how I make my bowls every single time. I'm about to eat me a few bites in the car and then I'm gonna head home. All right, you guys, so that is gonna be the end of this video, moving vlog episode 3. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and be on the lookout for moving vlog episode 4. All right, you guys, I love you and I will see you in the next one.